Dear friends, today's topic is greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a matter of great comfort as well as matter of great discomfort. What what a strange thing you can notice out of my statement. But there is nothing strange. It's quite normal. Why? Because when I say the greenhouse effect is a matter of comfort, then I talk about the natural greenhouse effect. The natural greenhouse effect means the gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, nitrous oxide, these gases, mainly the carbon dioxide gas, this acts as a cover, means insolation, the heat coming from the sun is allowed to enter freely without any hindrance, while the infrared rays which are going back, which are sent by the earth, that are trapped to a major extent. You know, what is happening when these gases like CO2, that is carbon dioxide, trap the infrared radiation which is going back from the earth to the atmosphere, when to some extent it is a it is a barred, it is checked, then that is a matter of comfort. Why? Because we need, not only the human beings, the entire biodiversity needs a certain amount of temperature in order to sustain its life, including we human beings. So that is the comfortable, that is the safe level temperature. That is the matter of comfort. That is the matter of comfort, and that natural, that is termed as, that is known as natural greenhouse effect. That is happening and that must happen. Otherwise, we won't be able to sustain our life. We will exhaust. We will disappear altogether with the entire biodiversity, which is flourishing upon the earth. Now, I talked earlier the matter of great discomfort, that is the matter of great concern for not only the students but for the entire humanity, the matter of discomfort, that is man-made greenhouse effect. You know very well, this industrial revolution has led to the production of a large number of articles, large number of things, large number of produce, and for that we need energy. And energy means fossil fuels. Fossil fuel means petrol, diesel, coal. These are the three main items which are used to generate energy. The power, without the power, the industrial capacity cannot be sustained. You cannot carry out industrial activities. So for industrial activities, that is necessary. Even today, when we have crossed the threshold of 21st century, we are largely dependent upon the fossil fuel, the energy which is produced from the fossil fuels. That is our weak point. Means these fossil fuels that are emitting greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, like methane, and due to the human activities, several human activities, water vapor is also accumulating. The accumulation of these gases, to the out of proportion accumulation of these gases, is the major cause. It is worrying factor for us. So that is man-made greenhouse effect. Means carbon dioxide gases, they are trapping the infrared waves, okay, which are being transmitted, which are being radiated out by the earth. Major part is major part is blanketed by these gases, not allowed to enter, to escape into the outer space, the upper atmosphere. So that is the man-made greenhouse effect, because that is raising the temperature of not the atmosphere alone, but the temperature of the earth as well, to the, you know, to the unsafe level. That is the unsafe level, and that is resulting in the increase in the temperature, and that is widely termed as global rise in temperature. The matter of worry is also this, that in every 10 years, scientists are noticing that in 10 every 10 years, 1 degree centigrade temperature is going up. This is alarming situation. This is alarming, just alarming situation. If we don't awake, if we don't take up this call, this notice, then what will happen? That there will be disaster, complete disaster in coming 30, 40 or 50 years. We are going to notice very serious impact around us. I think, as the scientists suggest, that seasons are changing. Gradually, seasons are changing. So that is the result of this man-made greenhouse effect. Once more, the natural greenhouse effect is very necessary to sustain the biodiversity, including human beings. But this man-made greenhouse effect is not a good one. This is creating villainous effect, villainous impact. This villain must be shot down as soon as possible. And in order to kill this villain, it is very necessary to go for, optional methods, alternatives. Means we have to reduce the fossil fuel consumption to a great extent, and finally we have to put an end on the use of fossil fuel. So alternative sources of energy are to be created, and the entire earth, we have got a galaxy of scientists. What these scientists are doing, they must put their heads together in order to evolve the alternative sources of energy. That is just one way. We are not serious on that front, on that account. Apart from this, deforestation is taking place. Deforestation is taking place all around, and burning of fossil fuel, it is not on decline, rather it is on rise. I must say, I can clearly say that it is on rise. It is on rise, it is not decline. That's the matter of worry. That's the area which is worrisome. And not, these are the actually burning of fossil fuel and deforestation. These two disastrous processes are moving parallel to each other. They are competing to each other. Then it is very clear that we have to be very, very fast and very serious. And not only these two major factors, there are other sources of vehicular emission of gases that cannot be neglected. That's not the minor factor, that is also major factor, and several other human activities. So dear friends and students, please note down that natural greenhouse effect, it is happening. It is in past, it has happened, it has happening, and it is necessary. But this man-made greenhouse effect is not necessary. It must be stopped. It must stop, because once more, finally, that in every decade, the rise of temperature is being noticed 1 degree centigrade. That is, I will say, that very, very alarming situation for the entire humanity. And I think it is time that we should concentrate on this, because if this is allowed to continue, then impact disastrous impact is already taking place. The entire world, if you look at the scenario, the disastrous impact are being noticed. Somewhere there are continuous floods. The places which actually receive very little rainfall traditionally, the places receiving very heavy rainfall, and vice versa. Everything is going topsy turvy. So the beginning is there. Okay, so what we are waiting for our end. If we are waiting for our end, then there is nothing to say. If we want to survive the humanity, we want to survive the coming generations, we want to keep our earth safe for the coming generations, we have to eliminate this man-made greenhouse effect completely, gentlemen, completely. Thank you.